Welcome to another edition of What's New at GetResponse. Hey, I'm Przemek, Head of Core Products at GetResponse. Let me show you 3 exciting updates we've released this month. First update, smarter segmentation. Personalization starts with the right audience, but building segments from scratch can slow you down. That's why we've introduced Predefined segment templates and AI-assisted segment creation, making it faster than ever to build highly targeted audiences. Update number 2, web automation. Your website visitors are constantly leaving signals about what they are interested in. With new web automation conditions and improved visitor tracking, you can respond to those behaviors automatically and build more intelligent customer journeys from the very first visit. Last update, AI gets even smarter. We are also making AI more useful across your marketing workflow. AI image generator can now create matching images alongside your email copy, while AI Insight automatically analyzes your campaign performance and recommends what to improve next. These updates are all about helping you spend less time setting things up and more time creating marketing that performs. Log into your GetResponse account and give them a try. We'll be taking a closer look at some of these features very soon.